All right, breaking out for Suttle. I got 2 boxes of 2016 Panini Spectra football. Good luck, man. Let's bring this thing down a little bit. There we go. Starting us off. Beautiful Jerry Rice patch card right there. 1 of 10. 1 of 10 Jerry Rice. Not a bad start at all. Epic Legends. Rookie patch auto right here. Wendell Smallwood for the Eagles. Out of 199. 191 to 199. Jersey swatch Joe Hayden for the Browns. Out of 99. And Jaron Reed, rookie card for the Seahawks. 17 to 25, Jaron Reed. Alrighty, for the Bills, Thurman Thomas, 1 of 15. Jersey swatch Amari Cooper, out of 199. Rookie patch auto Cody Kessler, out of 99. For the Broncos, Peyton Manning, out of 60, 38 to 60, Peyton Manning. Kenny Lawler, auto, out of 99. Jeremy Hill, jersey swatch, out of 199. Zeke Elliott, jersey swatch, rookie card, 64.99. Zeke Elliott. Joe Flacco. Oh, this is beautiful. Vested Veterans, Drew Brees. Patch auto, that is going to be a 101. There we go. I was going to say this box had to go uphill and then went uphill quick. 101 Superfractor, Drew Brees patch auto. That is gorgeous. 101 Drew Brees Superfractor patch auto. Nice hit right there. We're going to get that magged up. Move that over there. Or if the break, we'll get that magged up for you. Jersey swatch Amir Abdul, a great hit right there. I knew we had at least one common. Christian Hackenberg jersey swatch. Joe Namath, out of 99. Okay, that's how you end that first box with a bang. Drew Brees, 101 Superfractor patch auto. And a nice patch, too. If you can see, it's got the little logo there, Fleur de Lis, whatever the thing's called. I don't know. I didn't take French in high school. Still, it's a gorgeous card. All right, good first box. Get a good second box. Really good first box. Orange cut, Russell Wilson. 101, okay. Geez, 2 101s. 2 great quarterback ones on 101s. Russell Wilson and Drew Brees. Jersey right here, Joey Bosa. 82 199, Joey Bosa. Beautiful rookie patch auto coming up for the Giants. Sterling Shepard rookie patch auto. 425, Sterling Shepard rookie patch auto. Love that green ink. And Richard Sherman, 425. Really nice first pack. Good start to this box. Patch, Laquan Treadwell. 19 to 25, Laquan Treadwell for the Vikings rookie patch. DeMarcus Ayers, auto for the Steelers. Out of 199. Julius Thomas jersey swatch. Frank Gore, out of 60. For the Chargers, jersey swatch auto, Danny Woodhead. 15 to 50, Danny Woodhead. Jersey swatch, Jordan Matthews. Out of 99. Jersey swatch rookie card, Zeke Elliott. 161 199, Zeke. Troy Aikman for the Cowboys. 11 to 99, Troy Aikman. Last pack right here. Let's see what we got. For the Seahawks auto, Kenny Lawler. 195 at 199, Kenny Lawler. Jersey swatch Moritz Boehringer. Out of 199. Connor Cook, dual jersey card. And William Jackson III rookie card. Out of 99. All right, man. Thanks for the break. Some nice hits. 2 101s. Beautiful rookie patch auto Shepard out of 25. We're going to get that packed up and shipped out for you today. Thanks, man.